Today we are going to learn our third chapter, We Care. Chapter 3, Lesson 3, We Care. In this chapter, we are going to learn about how we can become a good neighbor. Being a good neighbor. Next we are going to learn about how we can spend time with our friends. How we can spend time with our friends. After we learn about people who need special care. People who need special care. Then we are going to learn about how we can take care of our pets. How we can take care of our pets.
Being a good neighbor. Being a good neighbor. Neighbors play an important role in our lives. We should invite and welcome them into our homes. We should join in the celebrations of our neighbors. Good neighbors always help one another in times of needs. We share our joys and sorrows with them. A good neighborhood also provides security and protection. We must be good to our neighbors. We must not disturb them. Also, we must keep our neighborhood clean and neat. Spending time with friends. When we get time, what we like to do? We like to play with our friends or with our siblings. We want somebody to play. That makes all of us happy. When we are going to school, we get free time to play. What are the games you are playing? There are so many games that you can play with your friends. We go to school every day. In the school, we study, play, and enjoy with our friends. We also share our food with them. Children in the neighborhood also our friends with whom we spend our free time. Together we play different games, have fun and recreation. The games we play are mainly of two types. They are indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games means the games that we play inside a house. Example, carom, ludo, chess, snake and ladder, video games and table tennis. Outdoor games means the games that we play outside a house. Example, cricket, football, hockey, lawn tennis. These are the examples of outdoor games. Here you can see children are playing indoor games. Chess, ludo, building blocks. In this picture you can see children are playing outdoor games. When we play, we should be very careful. We should obey the rules of the game. We should play fair game. We should take care of our co-players. We should never cheat or quarrel while playing. We should accept our victory or defeat in the game. We should inform our parents or elders if someone gets hurt. Next is picnic. Going on a picnic is a great fun. We should leave the picnic spot clean and tidy. Zoo. Visiting a zoo is also a great source of joy. We get a chance to watch rare animals and birds. We should remember not to tease them. Some famous differently abled Indians. Sudha Chandran, famous Bharatanatyam dancer and actress. Devendra Jajaria, Indian Para-Olympian to win 2 gold medals in javelin throw. Arunima Sinha, the first woman to climb the Mount Everest with an artificial limb. Here you can see some famous differently abled Indians picture. Sudha Chandran, Devendra Jajaria and Arunima Sinha. Here you can see people who need special care. For those people we should give more care. Old, sick, differently abled or challenged. Many cannot walk, hear, speak or see. We must help them whenever and wherever possible. Next, what are the things we should do for them? What are the things we should do for them? Never make fun on the old, sick and differently abled people. Try to understand their problems and help them if we can. Help them by giving their food and medicines on time. We should spend time with them. Not make noise and play loud music when they are resting. Next, care of pets. How we can care the pets? A pet is an animal that we keep at home for recreation. Dogs and cats are the most common pets. Here you can see how we need to take care of our pets. We must take proper care of pets. We should be kind and love them. We should provide comfortable place for their stay. We should give them proper and healthy food. We must keep their bodies clean. We should take them to the veterinary doctor when they are not well. In this picture, you can see how we need to take care of our pets.
Summarize what we have learned in this chapter. We must take care of our friends, relatives, neighbors and pets. We must take care of our friends, relatives, neighbors and pets. Good neighbors always help one another in times of needs. Good neighbors always help one another in time of needs. The old, sick and differently abled people need our love